Guys, today I'm going to show you how to run A/B tests for thumbnails and videos on your YouTube studio using TubeBuddy. So head over to Chrome Web Store and searching for TubeBuddy for YouTube and install the extension. After that, log into your account. Make sure you choose your YouTube account for TubeBuddy to access and allow permission and accept terms. Now head over to YouTube studio now and click on your TubeBuddy extension. Let's refresh the page first, and here just click on your TubeBuddy here and head over to the bottom of the page. You'll find video A/B testing. Click on it. You'll be directed to this manage A/B tests dashboard to test your thumbnails, the better performing thumbnails and videos. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.